What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now this is very easy and quick. The first thing you need to do, guys, you wanna log into your Binance account. If you are using your phone, you can do the same steps. Okay, this works on both devices. Now you wanna log into your Binance account, and then what you need to do, guys, next is you wanna go, just wait for it to load. So after you log into your Binance account, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on wallet in the top right, and you want to click on fiat and spot. Okay, and then you want to scroll down and you want to search for USDT. Okay, this is it, USDT, and next to that you will see here, guys, withdraw. So in the action section you will find here withdraw. Click on it. And here what you need to do, guys, next is you wanna add here the address from your from your Trust Wallet. Okay, the address. Now you want to go to Trust Wallet app. Okay, you want to open the app inside your phone, and then what you need to do, guys, next is you want to just open your Trust Wallet, click on receive, and you want to find here USDT. Okay, you search for it, use the T. Okay, if you can't find it here, you want to click here. As you can see, you want to open your app and you want to click here, and then you want to search for use the T. Okay, this is it. Click on it, and then where it says here receive, click on receive. And this is your address. You want to click copy, and you want to paste that address here, and the network should be, this is the network. So I'm going to select the correct network. Just find here the network and send only ledger to this address. 20. Okay, so this is the network. It's called BNB Smart Chain. And you want to select the amount. So make sure you select the correct network. Okay, make sure you select the correct, because if you make a mistake in network, it will not, like, the funds will be lost. Okay, now you want to select then the amount that you are trying to send or to transfer. You want to click on the withdraw, and that's it.